Hello. Before we begin, take a moment to relax. Wherever you are, walking, sitting at your desk, or lying down, just listen and enjoy the process. Learning English is not a race. It's a journey. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the Speaker of English. It feels great to have you here again. I'm Daniel, your guide on this English learning journey. Welcome to day 1 of this English speaking series. If you feel nervous, that is okay. If you feel shy, that is okay. Today, you do not need perfect English. Today, you only need to try. In this video, you will speak English from zero. Very simple, very slow, very easy. Let's start together. Please remember this. You do not need grammar now. You do not need long sentences. You do not need confidence. You only need your voice. Speak slowly. Speak loudly. If you make a mistake, smile. Mistakes mean learning. Now, please repeat after me. Speak slowly. I am learning English. I am learning English. Good. Again. I am learning English. Very good. Next sentence. I want to speak English. I want to speak English. Again. I want to speak English. Good. Next sentence. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. You are doing great. Now, let's talk about you. Repeat after me. I am at home. If you are not at home, you can say, I am outside. Now repeat. I am watching this video. Again. I am watching this video. Now, say this. I am speaking English now. Very good. You are speaking English. That is a big step. Now, pause the video. Say 3 sentences about yourself. You can say, I am blank. I am from. I am learning English. Speak slowly. Out loud. Good. Let's continue. Confidence building. Listen carefully. Today, you spoke English. Many people never start. You started. Your English does not need to be perfect. It needs to be spoken. Every day, you will improve. 1 sentence at a time. Your task for today is simple. Speak these sentences 3 times today. I am learning English. I want to speak English. I practice English every day. Say them in the morning. Say them in the evening. That is enough. You finished day 1. Comment below. Day 1 done. I am proud of you. Tomorrow, we will talk about you in English. See you in day 2.